24th of June 2023. Here is a cucumber. This is really taking off now. I can see a little cucumber there, which again, this one had about 3-4 cucumbers down the bottom there. I took them off to give the plant a chance to grow bigger. July 2023. I uploaded a video recently regarding how I grow my fruit and veggies. Now basically I said that I'm going to upload another video with the ingredients and what I use, or the method that I use to get them looking this healthy. And first of all, February I got 3-4 bags of farmyard manure, and I raked it all around here to give it a good start. Now farmyard manure, or any manure that is 100% organic, has been used hundreds of years by the farmers. Now I'm using that principle, and after I done it in February, raked it in, and I grew these plants, most of them from the seed. 90% of the plants I got here, I grew them from the seed, except these peach trees, apricots, nectarine, orange, any other small fruit and veg. I grew it from the seed. Now let's start with this cucumber. As you can see, it looks very, very healthy indeed. Now the reason why I only grow 2 cucumbers is because as just me and the missus, we can't eat as many cucumbers as this plant is growing. I will show you in a minute. And here's another one, but this one is a little bit late. I grew this about a month later than the other one that I'm going to show you, but that should come up soon if the weather is right. This one here, I grew that from a seed. Now after I've raked in the farmyard manure onto these, about March, April, I grew this from the seed. And what I usually do, I always make a trench around the root, so that when I water it, the water goes right down to the root. Because as you know, when the ground is level like this and you water in it, it's not going into the root. Now bear in mind, the root is about 6-7 inches down, so you need at least 5-6 days of constant rain in order for that water to get down to the root. But if you do a trench like this all the way around, the water stays in there and gradually it goes into the root. I haven't pruned this yet, but as you can see, now I thinned this out. Yesterday I took about 6-7 cucumbers off of this. As you can see, there's quite a few down here as well. How many is here? There's 1, 2 there. But what I do, I come and, if I see them like this, I take it off because I don't want too many. Look how nice they are. Obviously now and then you're going to get marks like these on them, but you can always take that off. And here's some more here which I should take off. How many have I taken off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already taken 7 off. Here's another one down here. I'll take that off as well. I'll leave that one there. And there's a couple up here. There's another one up there, and there's more growing up there. And once a month, spray them. Now I should put the ingredients of the spray with this video. Actually, it's quite simple. Just put them into the ground, do a trench around it so that the water goes into the soil, and spray it once a month, and that's it. Quite simple. And you get a lovely foliage and a nice cucumbers. And then once you start to grow about 10 inches, say about 2-3 leaves on it, I start giving a feed once every 2 weeks. And the ingredients that I use are sulfate potash, seaweed, liquid seaweed, fish blood and bone, chicken manure, bone meal, and Epsom salt. Now, it doesn't matter which order you give it. If you give it one every 2 weeks, a handful, just sprinkle it round that root there. Once every 2 weeks, sprinkle it round to the root, and then as soon as you've done that, give it a water, so the nourishment goes straight into the roots. It's quite simple. Let's have a look. That looks nice and healthy. Now I'm going to cut this. Now I'm not lying to you, I can smell the cucumbers from here. That's how a cucumber should be. You should be able to smell the cucumber. Right, I'm going to get this one and cut it and see what it tastes like. That's it. Just February, before the plants starts to grow, rake in a farmyard manure, and then just feed it once every 2 weeks. The ingredients that I mentioned: fish blood and bone, seaweed, Epsom, 2 spoonsful of Epsom salt. That's once a month, and then a bone meal as well, and then watch it grow. Now to spray it, all you need to do is spray it twice. Just get yourself a neem oil, which I should do that later on. What are ingredients I use to spray my plants. Right, let's cut that one and have a taste and see what it tastes like. Right, let's go and taste it. Right, here's the one that I cut. As most of you know, you can get different variety of cucumbers. There's ones that are a little bit smaller than this. I believe they call them gherkins. And there are some that are big, double the size of this. Now, whenever you pick something from the garden, always wash it. Everything. It doesn't matter if it's a tomato, cucumber, whatever, just wash it, always wash it. Now I grow all mines, 95% of products that I use in the garden is organic, 95%. You can't use 100% because there's some certain things, diseases, that you need stronger chemicals to kill the disease. Now I think that is not too bad for 95% organic. Right, let's get into it. Right, let's cut in the middle. Here we are. That smells really nice. That smells like a cucumber. I can smell it from here. As soon as I cut it, I can smell it. Now the other thing is, when you leave these cucumbers too long, their skin gets really hard. So you got to know when to pick it just at the right time, so you get the flavor of the skin, or if you like the skin. What I usually do, I just peel it off. I just take the skins off. Your cucumber should be nice, firm but juicy, not dry. If it's dry, that means you left it on there too long. Right, let's have a taste. I can smell that. Juicy, crispy, and soft in the center. Let's have another one. Very nice. Like I said, you got to know when to pick your cucumber, otherwise it can become spongy. It should be crispy but soft. So when you bite it, it's juicy. Because a couple of times I tried to grow these and I left them on too long and they became hard and spongy and dry. It's got that nice aroma as well, that cucumber smell. Lovely. Very, very juicy as well. Well, that's it for today. I should carry on eating this. Very nice. Thank you for watching.